I was sent this mosquito killer slash bug zapper in exchange for this video. So I have a ton of mosquitoes where I live. So very excited about trying this out. So in the box, we have the instructions. We also have this charging cable. And here's what the mosquito killer looks like. Very attractive to just leave setting around, I think. And you can kind of see how it works. They fly up in there and hopefully get zapped and will not come back again. So you just charge this up and it has a 2000 mAh battery. So you can take it outdoors with you even and set it on your table if you're eating out in the evening to hopefully keep those mosquitoes away from you. This is also waterproof, IPX5. And we also have a little hanger here so we can take that up. You see right there, and you can unclip this if you want, like that, and hang it over something. So that is really convenient, like have it hanging from your awning or something like that on your porch. Here is the port for the USB charger. It's a Type-C charging cable, by the way. And here on the top is the on and off button. So what's really cool about this is it has the power left here. It's at 73%. If we hit the button again, we have like this little night light effect that probably helps to draw in the insects as well as provide a nice little night light for you. So I'm going to turn off my ring light now so we can better see this. So that's what it looks like with the night light. Let's turn that back off. So now we have the zapper on in the middle, so you can use it any of those combinations. So there's with the zapper, there's with just the night light, there's with both, and then back off again. So just using the bug zapper, this can last 9 to 11 hours. So that would be great for camping pretty much the whole night long. Just as a camping light, this can work 12 to 13 hours. And as the bug zapper and light, 6 to 7 hours. And the charging time is only about 3 to 4 hours. So very cute, very lightweight, doesn't take up a lot of space and doesn't weigh a lot. So something like I said, you could totally take this with you down by the water if you're gonna go spend a day on the lake or if you're gonna go camping, very handy. And I think this is something I'm probably gonna keep on my nightstand even.